Hey everyone, just another update video. I just wanted to let you all know that it has been a rough last week, which is why I haven't done any shorts or any little videos. I've actually been in the hospital the last 5 days. From I believe the 5th to the 11th, I was in the hospital dealing with some mental issues, and that happens. And I do say, hey guys, if you do have trouble with things, make sure you always reach out and get help. And remember that help is out there. Um, and that is just the first start of the video that I wanted to go ahead and go over with you. Remember, the 988 hotline is out there. That aside, I am back in action. So, let me go over what I've been learning and what I've been covering. So we've got the Zenva Unity Game Dev mini degree I've been working on. I've been doing their intro, their mini products, their 3D game that I'm working on. I am learning how to make arrays. I am doing if statements, for loops. I'll go over all those in a second. But I have several simulator games that I'm looking at making in the C# console, not in Unity, and making basically console-only version games, and just while I learn how to code the base code. So I'm learning my bools, my ints, my loops, my strings. I'm just looking for the right notes here. I'm learning movement codes such as get key down, get key W, SAD. I'm learning how to pick up things, put them down, how to show things in inventories, how to exchange UI information, how to highlight things, how to do player attacks, how to do, let's say, user input with console read line, console write line. Let's see here. What else am I covering? Oh, there's all my notes. They're under the wrong book. We're also covering for loops, for each loops, while loops, if while, and do while loops. I'm also covering switches and the shortcuts, the do whiles. Let's see here. For each, for. And that has been a big part of what I've been covering. I've been doing a skeleton battle simulator while I was in the hospital that I've been simulating. I've also been learning to do a dice simulator and been working on a major game outline. And my biggest thing that comes from all of this is no matter what situation you're in, always try to keep learning. Always try to rack your brain for ideas. No matter what situation you're in, there's always time to have fun, and remember that it's okay to set time for yourself. It's always okay to have 5 minutes to make a little bit of notes with a paper and pad and write down some ideas. And it did. I took 5 minutes here and there to take notes in my lovely little notebook about, let's see here, about console input. Okay, battle. Shutdown commencing. Invalid statements. For else if. No, user input no. Or else console input equals invalid statement shutdown initiating. Things like that. How would I do this? How would I do that? Just different types of notes on my coding practice, because I didn't have access to a computer, but I could still rack my brain on how would I do something if I was in front of the computer. And so it doesn't matter where you are. You can still do what you love and what you want to try. If you are an artist, you can still grab a pen and paper or a pencil and paper and doodle. And those little doodles give you just a little bit of practice. And I think that's the big lesson that I've learned over the last week is you can do game dev anywhere. You really can. It doesn't matter where. And ideas all come from your brain. So, that being said, that's my game dev update, honestly, for this week. And I look forward to providing more actual evidence of my work in my proof other than being able to show you guys that I have stacks of paper as evidence. Alright. Thank you for watching, y'all. Y'all have a great day. Mushroom Laddie out.